Welcome to another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing MapFactor GPS Navigation. The application looks like this on your Android-powered device. Go ahead and visit the Play Store and type in the word navigation in the search engine at the top and you'll find this application. It's by MapFactor. And this is the best navigation app on the Play Store today. It's extremely easy to use and it has additional benefits and features that you don't get from the other navigation apps. The interface is pretty typical to a normal navigation application. It has these 6 options, and how it works, first thing you want to do is go to your map manager at the bottom middle and download the maps of the area that you'll be in. And the benefit of doing this is once the maps are already downloaded to your phone, you're no longer using data, so it comes in handy if you're going to be taking a trip outside of the country and you don't want to rack up a lot of high data charges. You go and download the map of that country and use this application while you are in that country without getting hit with data charges. So very cool feature. And how you find a destination is just hit the search option in the top left so we can search for our destination. Has a lot of options for finding your destination. We have the address tab, which will just allow you to type in the address of where you're going. And let's say you don't know the address, you might want to go to the Google search queue and then you can type in a lot of different keywords to find that destination, or you can speak it with the microphone option off to the left. They have point of interest and also coordinates. You can search by latitude and longitude. So let's say you want to find a place, just go to Google, and let's say I don't know the address. Let's say I want to go to, for example, we're going to type in Walgreens, and I'll just put in the zip code of the city that it's in, and then go ahead and hit search. So to go ahead and find it, find the address, I can go ahead and touch it, and then all these options appear. We can navigate to it, we can set it as a waypoint. The waypoint option is really unique and awesome. It allows you to set a waypoint for a destination so you can return to that waypoint without having to research for it or things like that. You can set it as a destination, add to my places, or just show it on a map. So let's go ahead and hit navigate. This will bring up the navigation feature, and then it will start the navigation. It has a bunch of different views that you can set. If we touch this, it'll give you a bunch of different angles and views of your navigation. You can use the pinch to zoom option. And it also has these 3 panel options at the bottom, which is really cool. If you touch one of these 3 panels, the right, middle, or left, it'll bring up a list of options of information that you can add to those panels, such as your speed, which will give you your miles per hour or kilometers per hour. It's got time to destination, time to waypoint, distance to destination, or just the time. So you just go ahead and select the ones that you want, the information that's most important to you. So a very unique feature. Those 3 panel options you can customize to make your experience much better. And if you hit the tools option, it gives some unique features here. You can do a record and replay of your travel, which I did for one. If you hit it, it'll give you a list of the recordings that you've done. And let's say we go ahead and select it and then hit replay. It'll actually replay that route of travel that you already made. And the cool thing about that is it's saved as a file, so you can send it over to someone or just re-look it over if you're going to remake that trip and you're not quite comfortable with it. If we want to end navigation, just hit stop navigation. And here you can get your route info if you don't want to look at it on a map. Just go to the itinerary and it'll give you the turn-by-turn, which I ended navigation, but that's where it would be. And there you have it. It'll give you the distance between each of the turns. And if you select one of them, it will show it on a map. And this is by MapFactor. They do have a website. It's MapFactor.com. Make sure you visit that website. It'll show you the other products and services that they offer to make your navigation experience that much better. And also visit PhoneSavvy.com to find more great applications like this that you can get on your Android device.